એ હાલો રે હાલો,
માયકાવાણી ચાલુ થવાની છે. મારી છે ના મારી છે, માયકાવાણી આપણી છે. ના તારી છે ના મારી છે, માયકાવાણી આપણી છે.
Maika Vani 90.4 FM.
गुड इवनिंग, नमस्ते, आदाब। मैं हूँ आरजे निशी
और मैं हूँ आरजे प्रगति।
और हम दोनों इस बार हर हफ्ते की तरह, हर मंडे की तरह रादर लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए आपका वही फेवरेट शो नॉर्मल एंड नेचुरल। एंड इस वीक का हमारा टॉपिक थोड़ा सा अलग है हमारे बाकी के वीक से। एंड प्रगति, आज का टॉपिक क्या है हमारा?
तो इस बार भी हर हफ्ते की तरह आप लोगों से हम बात करना चाहते हैं एक ऐसी एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में जो मोस्टली सबने किया होगा बट कोई बात नहीं करता उस बारे में, स्पेशली बिकॉज ये टॉपिक बहुत सेंसिटिव है, बिकॉज ये रिलेशनशिप से रिलेटेड है. Relationship is not just what you share with the person you love. It could be with your mother, father, friends, anybody, any relationship. And we are here to talk about relationships that have gone toxic. And it's hard to tell it's when it's about love, because वो line blur हो जाती है कि तुम प्यार के लिए क्या कर रहे हो and toxicity कहाँ आ जाती है. So we are going to talk about that and a few experiences जो हमने खुद experience करी है या फिर देखी है किसी को experience करते हुए. हमने try करी to ask people to come and talk about it, but इसकी gravity इसकी intensity इतनी ज़्यादा है when you love someone, when are with someone, or you share a relationship with someone, any kind of relationships, कि nobody wanted to come and talk about it because it's so hurtful.
Right.
And it's completely understandable. So
Right.
we've gathered a few stories from them और हम आपके साथ वो share करेंगे.
Right.
So yeah.
या तो पता है प्रगति, इनफैक्ट जब मैं कुछ लोगों से पूछ रही थी कि इफ दे वांट टू कम टू आवर शो एंड टॉक अबाउट देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस, एंड व्हाट दे सेड वाज कि although I'm over, I have moved on from that feeling, I have moved on from that whole chaos that happened in the past, but still thinking about it makes me negative and I do not want to talk about it. Not that I'm not comfortable, not that I'm like not strong enough, it's just that I don't want to enter into that negative zone anymore, and that's why I would rather choose not to talk about it. And I was like, this is the level of impacts these toxicity actually has on people. Like, this is the way people are affected, and we take it so lightly that okay, it's just a relationship. Nobody understands the impact, the level, like कितना डीप इन लाइक वो लाइक इफेक्ट करता है लोगों को कि इतने साल बीत गए फिर भी उसका स्कार अभी तक है, एंड
It's like an injury जिसका वो निशान रह जाता है.
Right.
It heals, but
हाँ.
the people you might have talked to and asked to come, उनका ये भी होता होगा कि they might have moved on, they might have like let it behind,
Yeah.
but they do not want to go back there because
Right.
जो experience उन्होंने तब किया था वो emotions उन्हें नहीं feel करना वापस. And
वापस,
it's
yeah.
totally understandable if they're saying no, because why do we want to even remember about some things
Yeah.
which hurt us at some point.
Right. Right, Pradip. So in fact, इतनी हम दोनों ने एक्चुअली बात की है अपने अपने फ्रेंड से, एंड व्हाट वी नो व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट. But have you experienced anything related to toxicity, or maybe any of your friends? Have you seen them closely, or anything that you have like observed on this in your circle or in your life? Like, just please share.
Yeah, sure. So I was friends with this person who was like really in love with this guy when we were in school. And जब ये लड़के को मालूम पड़ी कि अच्छा this girl likes me, he started pursuing her, and they had a good time for a couple of weeks, or 2 years, let's say. But so this story is a very long टाइम पीरियड की स्टोरी है ये, और मैं तुझे एकदम जस्ट बताऊंगी, उसमें भी तुझे इतनी टॉक्सिसिटी दिख जाएगी दैट यू विल नो हाउ एक्चुअली द रिलेशनशिप वाज टॉक्सिक.
Mhm.
So this person, after he realized that this girl is completely in love with him, he started taking her for granted. एंड कुछ भी झगड़ा होता था, कुछ भी होता था, ही यूज्ड टू ब्लेम इट ऑल ऑन हर. उसकी गलती है, उसकी वजह से ये हुआ है, उसकी वजह से उसने ऐसा किया है. इफ दैट गाय इज डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ हर. So every time she confronted him about anything going wrong, he would frame it in such a way that it felt like it was her mistake. And this kept on going for a long time. And then this thing expanded into bigger things, like, him cheating on her, or him going on trips with someone else, or things like that. And she wouldn't know it from him, she would know it from somebody else or somewhere else. And these are just the big parts I'm telling you. This
Right.
had been continuing for like over, let's say, 8, 9, 10 years
My
altogether, and every day, every single day, something or the other used to happen, and she would feel devastated. And and this guy had no guilt, or no shame doing that. He violated her in every way possible. And this, what happens due to this is, this girl started losing her self in this process, her confidence, her assurance of herself, her own worth. She started forgetting, losing sight of it. Although she knew, उसे मालूम था कि she does not deserve this.
Mhm.
But there were two weights, and this had her confidence and everything else, and this had this huge blob of feelings for this guy. And she was like, I can't uh, lower this down. This is always lowered down. So she always felt ki, she can't leave this guy, and she kept uh, persevering to nahi, she kept enduring this, this thing every single day, until one day she finally realized that it's too long, it's enough, and that's it. And now she's in a really happy place, and I thank God for that. But the point is, इतनी टॉक्सिक थी रिलेशनशिप कि तुम्हें मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा तुम कब उसके जाल में आ रहे हो. एंड आई वुड ऑनेस्टली से कि मैं ये बता रही हूँ, मैं भी बोलूंगी कि शी शुड हैव डन दिस, शी शुड हैव डन दैट. बट व्हेन यू आर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सर्कमस्टेंस, even I cannot guarantee that I would have walked away. And I completely understand why she didn't walk away. She couldn't walk away. You're all the time in this loop ki मैं जाऊं और मैं रहूं, because I love this person, I would do this for anybody else, so why not him. These, your mind starts playing trick games with you and forces you to endure things that you wouldn't do it otherwise.
oh man.
And even
Yeah.
though we are talking about it and we know that it's wrong,
Yeah.
मैं नहीं गारंटी दे सकती कि मैं अगर उस सिचुएशन में होती तो मैं वॉकआउट कर लेती, या फिर अभी भी, इवन टुडे आई कैन नॉट गारंटी दैट इफ आई एम in such a situation, I will walk away with a straight face. That is not me, and I know that. But that is where my fault lies, right? But I think it's very essential to correct this behavior. वो उसकी behavior, उस लड़के की behavior we cannot correct, but what we can do is in our hands. So I think it's very important to realize your own worth. And I think it's when people say fall in love with yourself, it's not an overstatement. It is actually something that you should religiously follow. You should love yourself enough to walk out of things that do not mean good for you.
Right,
And
ma'am.
I think that is what we should always try to do. मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि perfection achieve हो जाएगी, but ये करना चाहिए, खुद को इतना प्यार करो कि not dependent on anybody else. And this is where I think this toxic link will break in some way or the other.
बहुत सही बोला यार प्रगति। इनफैक्ट दिस इज द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ टॉक्सिसिटी। एंड इनफैक्ट रिमेंबर जब हम डिसाइड कर रहे थे कि हम बहुत सबसे बात करेंगे एंड वी विल रिक्वेस्ट पीपल टू डिस्कस अबाउट देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस, एंड इवन तो लोग नहीं आ सके, दे कुडंट कनेक्ट विथ अस एंड एक्सप्लेन देयर पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी, बट एटलीस्ट दे शेयर्ड इट विथ अस। एंड मुझे भी एक काफ़ी वियर्ड सी स्टोरी सुनने को मिली, जो सुन के मुझे इतना गुस्सा आ रहा था कि हाउ कैन समवन बी दिस टॉक्सिक, बट देन अगेन ये हर जगह है, ये हम, it's everywhere, it's just that people don't talk about it. What happened is that there's a friend of mine, she was in a relationship when she was in 12th standard, just for 3 months it was. And then what happened, 3 months ke baad she went for her college, and pursued her engineering and stuff. In the third year when she came, अचानक से इस लड़के का पुराना प्यार जागा, and he started like texting her, trying to connect with her, and काफ़ी परेशान किया उसने उसे। जब इस लड़की ने, जब मेरी फ्रेंड ने भाव नहीं दिया, तो ही स्टार्टेड कनेक्टिंग विथ हर फ्रेंड्स। उसने मुझे भी टेक्स्ट किया, उसने मुझे भी बहुत सारे मैसेजेस भेजे, मेरे अलावा जो और भी जो फ्रेंड्स थे उसके, उसको भी था, उसने टेक्स्ट किया था। तो उस टाइम पे ना मैंने उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया था, बट अभी जब ये टॉपिक के लिए मैं उनसे बात करी, तो उसने अपने साइड का और भी बहुत कुछ बताया ऐसा, जो जो मुझे नहीं पता था उस टाइम पे, बट अभी पता चला कि उसके एंड से उसके फैमिली को भी उस लड़के ने टॉर्चर किया था। उसके फैमिली के भी लोगों को उसने फेसबुक पे मैसेज किया, कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स जुगाड़ किए, उसके घर तक का एड्रेस पता किया। ही लिटरली यूज्ड टू ब्लैकमेल हर कि मैं, मुझे तेरे घर का एड्रेस पता है एंड ऑल। एंड इस लड़की को वो लड़का पसंद नहीं है, तो why would she be like talk to him just because? And how the hell does he get that right to torture her, blackmail her on the basis of कि he has her address or anything like that? So that was really weird for me कि कोई इंसान इतना टॉक्सिक भी हो सकता है। एंड कैन यू बिलीव इट कि इस लेवल का परेशान किया था उस लड़के ने कि my friend literally has to file a police complaint for this। इस लेवल का परेशान किया है उस लड़के ने। आई वॉज शॉक्ड, मुझे नहीं पता था कि बात इतनी आगे बढ़ चुकी थी। एंड दिस वॉज द लेवल ऑफ टॉक्सिसिटी दैट शी हैड टू गो थ्रू, एंड दैट टू विदाउट एनी रीजन। It was crystal clear that she is not interested in that guy, and just because he's like torturing her by giving her, blackmailing her कि he has her address, और उसके फैमिली के लोगों को परेशान करना और फ्रेंड्स को परेशान करना just because कि ये बात कर ले उससे। I think it's stupid, man. It's stupid. And that too when you are when you are in third year of your engineering, तुम्हारी एज क्या होगी? 21, 22. You aren't a kid. तुम You are an adult, bro. You don't have the rights to, like, you don't have the right to do this thing to anyone. It's not at all fair. एंड ये स्टोरी डिस्कस करने का रीज़न और ऑब्जेक्टिव यही था कि ये पता चल सके कि इस लेवल तक, इस इतना इंटेंसिव भी हो सकता है ये चीज़। हम बात करते हैं टॉक्सिसिटी की, मूव ऑन, ब्रेकअप, बस इतने तक ही लिमिटेड रहते हैं, लेकिन हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि मैक्सिमम लिमिट कहाँ तक जा सकती है एंड लोग किस हद तक परेशान हो सकते हैं। तो why stretch it to that far, why do that?
And I मतलब तेरी story was so relatable on so many levels कि this has happened with a lot of us, and I think every other day this keeps happening in some or the other way. And it's not just with romantic relationships, it could also be with friendships. And I have personally went through an experience where I was friends with someone who was really really toxic for me. वो मुझे direct करती थी कि you don't do this, you don't do that. And I used to kind, मतलब मैं तब बहुत छोटी थी, ठीक है, I was like in school. And तब some state of my mind made me feel कि if I do not have her as my friend, तो मेरा और कोई दोस्त नहीं बनेगा। जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना, think कि ये मेरा दोस्त है, ये मेरी दोस्त है, and I got to hold on to. But I don't know, she was some shrewd person या कुछ, and she used to tell me तू मेरे लिए ये कर, तू मेरे लिए ये ला, तू मेरे लिए, so she used to treat me like someone who was a pushover, and I was a pushover back then. And uh, जो भी मुझे बोलती थी, I used to do it blindly. मैंने कई चीजें उसके लिए करी है, छोटे से लेकर बड़े तक, एंड काफ़ी चीज़ें गलत थी जो मुझे नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, जो मेरे मतलब कॉन्शियस, मतलब आई यूज्ड टू फील गिल्टी डूइंग इट, but then I used to do it because मुझे लग रहा था कि if I don't have her, मेरा और कोई दोस्त नहीं बनेगा. But I think towards like when I was in my 6th or 7th standard, I came to realize that this person is not my friend. This person is just trying to use me to get her job done. She has no intention of being my friend, and every other day सोच एक बच्ची आके every other day used to tell her mom about things that she went through school, which were not very pleasant, and it's a phase where you do not want to feel all those stuff. And मैं जब अभी retrospect करके सोच रही हूँ, I'm like, oh my god, I mean I wish I had a better school friend back then, because मेरा वो time तो एकदम waste हो गया. 5 or some years I was friends with her, and only with her, nobody else was our friend. And I should have realized back then that there's something wrong with this. Why is nobody else our friend? But I was under this impression ki this is it, and maybe that is why I was holding on to her, because nobody else was our friend. So jab 6th stand mein mujhe thoda gyan aaya कि this is not friendship, I stopped talking to her. I totally cut off my relations with her, and I am telling you, the last 4 years of my school life were really really blissed. So I think मतलब मैं वो realization important है तुम्हें जानना कि your um, it's not the end of the world. Someone treating you bad is not the end of the world. Move on. थोड़े टाइम के लिए you will feel bad, and even now I feel कि wish मुझे bad जितना feel नहीं होता, I regret कि वो time waste हो गया मेरा. It's gone. It's never coming back, and I wasted it on someone who did not ever care about me. And I think ये carry on होता है. फिर I think post 6th standard मेरा life बहुत ही खुश माहौल में went, but yeah, I still regret about it when I think about it. But I also feel कि this was not my fault entirely. This was a lot of the onus of how things went, like lay on her. But the only thing I regret is mera time was gone. So I think it's very very important to realize ki this you don't have to hold on to things for more time, because you have been holding on to things for a long time. You can let go at any point and feel better about yourself, right? Or I think this is only possible when I think toxicity break करना या फिर वहाँ से बाहर जाना is not an easy thing, but it requires conscious efforts to realize. और हाँ, मैं ये also I know this for a fact कि ऐसा नहीं कि हम ये बात कर रहे हैं कि मेरे साथ ये हुआ, उसके साथ वो हुआ. I'm pretty sure तू और मैं भी किसी और के लिए toxic रहे होंगे. We would have also been toxic for somebody else at some level. Intensity का vary कर सकता है, but I'm sure every single person is toxic to someone in some way. And I think it requires conscious efforts to not be. So being mindful of the things we say, we do, I think that is only possible. Giving people the space they need, allowing them to grow, I think these are signs of healthy relationships. Having conversations, feeling good about others' accomplishments, and not feeling like pulling their leg, mocking them. I think these little things take a lot of effort to do. बहुत छोटी चीजें हैं, but सबसे होती नहीं है. And when we actually put in conscious efforts to do this, that is where we start evading the effect of toxicity धीरे धीरे, for others as well as for us. So I think so this is what I took away from my experiences and the experiences that I witnessed. But I've also felt कि this is extended to not just मतलब ये धीरे धीरे realize किया है मैंने, but this has also been an extension to our relationship with our parents, our relationship with our family members. It could be your mother, father, sister, brother, whoever. But I think this is बहुत ubiquitous है ये. एंड हमें ये रियलाइज नहीं होता बिकॉज यू नो यू योर मॉम एंड dad, what would you do, what would you say, you know, they are like that. But this happens in a lot of households that I have seen, that I have witnessed, मेरे friends के हो या जो भी, I've seen their relationships destroying धीरे धीरे. And अभी जब बड़े हो रहे, they realize कि there's something wrong. And that is what toxicity is. They are realizing that there is something wrong with it. मतलब आई डोंट वांट टू पिन पॉइंट कि यू नो इन लोगों ने ये गलत किया अपने पेरेंट्स ने या जो भी, बट मैं ये बस कन्वे करना चाहती हूँ कि टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप्स आर नॉट जस्ट विथ योर पार्टनर और फ्रेंड्स. इट कुड बी ऑल्सो विथ, इट कुड बी विथ एनीबडी, इट कुड बी विथ अ बैचमेट, इट कुड बी विथ a teacher, student, whoever. So when you have a relationship, it can go two ways with anybody, any kind of healthy या फिर toxic, and most often than not it is toxic. So but again I would like to say कि अपने खुद की efforts ही इससे आपको दूर करते हैं या फिर पास लेते हैं. You can also आप भी किसी के लिए टॉक्सिक हो सकते हो, ये भी रियलाइज करो कि नॉट एवरीबडी इज योर एनिमी. यू कुड ऑल्सो मेक समवन फील बैड, मेक समवन फील टॉक्सिक अबाउट देमसेल्व्स. यस, so I think it's a both way thing, it's a two-way street, and one has to realize that when you're a human being, this is very natural for things like this to come in between a relationship. But only you and you can evade this thing. So yes, I mean, I just जब मैंने जाना कि a lot of people did not, I mean all of the people we talked to did not want to talk about this, but हमारे earlier episodes में they were okay with some people were okay with coming and speaking up. I realized that this thing is so nascent or so latent, actually hidden. People are so hurt deeply that they do not want to go through that again, even though it has been it's a 10-year-old story. It's, yeah, but they don't want to talk about it because they feel like it's going to bring up all of those emotions again, and it's too exhausting to handle all of that. So that's how strong this topic is, and that's how that's the kind of effect this topic has created. And that is the exact reason why we wanted to talk about it, because a lot of people do not realize कि ये टॉक्सिक है. Acknowledge करो, at least acknowledge करो. And even if you do not want to totally completely cut that person off, which is essential, but if you can't, at least realize and start making small changes. Stop waiting for that text, stop saying yes to that person all the time, stop going out of your way for them, stop doing things slowly. Try to overcome your weakness for them, because that is one of the main forces that, जैसे मेरे केस में मेरा weakness था कि I thought कि I will not have a friend if I I'm not friends with her. मेरे दोस्त के केस में था कि she thought this person is the only love of my life and I can't let go of him. So this is our weakness that is speaking to us in ways that we are thinking कि ठीक है, this is okay, this whatever this person is doing to me, I will endure it for as long as I can. But it's destroying you. It's destroying you, and you will regret it at some point of time, which is not uh, what we want you to go through. So at least इसीलिए ये बात करनी ज़रूरी थी हमारे लिए, ताकि आपके साथ अगर ये हो रहा है तो आप एटलीस्ट रियलाइज करो. थिंक अबाउट योर रिलेशनशिप विथ एवरीबडी, एवरी सिंगल पर्सन दैट यू हैव. थिंक अबाउट इट. इज इट मेकिंग यू हैप्पी? Are you feeling positive around those person? Are you feeling good about yourself? Are you feeling like you're growing with them? Or are you feeling like they are pulling you down, they are taking away your energy, they are making you feel low, unworthy of yourself? If the answers to these last few questions is yes, then yeah, it is toxic, and you need to mend that, you need to correct that for yourself, because nobody else can. So I think is yahi kehkar we would like to uh, uh, come to an end of another show. And I hope that you guys liked it as much as we did talking about it. I feel a lot relieved talking about what I went through, and I'm sure a lot of you, although it might be a little nostalgic for many of you, but आपको ये सुनकर at least अभी realize हो रहा होगा कि how things have gone down, and it's not your fault. That's all I want to tell you. That's not your fault. Just be aware and be cognizant of how worthy you are, because you are. So yeah, so
Is your
good
worth a
night.
lot more than the one that you are
Yeah.
currently experiencing. Yeah.
Yes. So I would like to say goodbye to you all. Hope to see you next Monday again at 6 p.m. soon on Maikawani 90.4 FM. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
ના તારી છે ના મારી છે માયકા વાણી આપણી છે આ મનની બોલી છે
Maika Vani 90.4 FM.